So topic 7, accommodate cultural differences in the workplace. So in this topic we will learn what is culture, stereotype, communicating across cultures, working with people from culturally diverse backgrounds. So what is culture? A culture refers to a group of people, although within the same group there can be subcultures, smaller groups with their own identities within the major culture. Example: surfers, bike riders, teenagers, lawyers, or Fijians. Includes the social understandings, knowledge, values, beliefs, and customs in a given society. Stereotypes. Stereotyping is a process where we classify someone according to their characteristics. Labels that are commonly attached to people. Communication across cultures. Some of the elements are um, non-verbal communication in culture. You give personal space, eye contact, use of silence, cultural variation in interpretation of social issues, cultural response to emotions. Diverse cultural backgrounds. So, when working with people from a similar background, there is a shared language, similar gestures, and a shared understanding of a dominant cultural values such as knowing when to shake hands or touch or not touch. Different cultures have evolved differently based on different political, social, and religious histories, adaptations to different climatic and environmental conditions, and types of food available, as well as availability of resources for economic development. Different cultures also have different ways that people relate to each other, ways of expressing feelings, using gestures, and protocols for communication. For example, people from Mediterranean cultures kiss once on each other's cheek when they meet, but people from Asian cultures are more inclined to nod or bow. Organizations and cultural diversity. Many organizations effectively accommodate cultural differences in the workplace by providing a cross-cultural training, promoting skills in cultural awareness and language, producing organizational policies and other documents about cultural diversity, having programs and projects that show respect for each of different cultures, having a register of people who speak languages other than English, and using flexible arrangements to allow employees to observe religious and cultural holidays.